everyone, Jen and John here with the Genuine Home Experts. Today, we're excited to talk about current mortgage rates and why right now might be the perfect time for you to buy a home. Rates have been fluctuating so much this last year, but the good news is we're seeing significant improvement in the market.
A year ago, mortgage rates were up to 8.1%, but now today they've come down to 6.1%. That's a 25% reduction in your interest rate. The recent Fed funds cut of 50 basis points is significant, but even with rates trending downward, some buyers are still holding out, hoping for an even bigger drop. Here's the thing, there's no guarantee rates will dip much further anytime soon. In fact, home values have been shown to go up as interest rates go down. So holding out for a better rate might not actually be the best option, as you can always renegotiate the interest rate, but you cannot renegotiate the price.
If we compare home prices from last year till now, while rates have improved, home values haven't fully adjusted to the shift just yet. This is a window of opportunity for buyers to take advantage of better financing terms before home prices potentially catch up. If you're serious about buying, now is your moment. This is a window of opportunity for buyers that are ready, because with fewer buyers in the market, sellers have never been more motivated than ever. You got more room for negotiating on price, closing costs, and even repairs. This window of opportunity won't last forever as more buyers enter the market. Competition will increase and you could lose out on some of the negotiating power you have right now, especially as prices start to go up again.
So if you're thinking about buying, don't wait. Take advantage of lower rates, motivated sellers, and less competition. It's a great time to lock in a deal before the market starts picking up steam again.
That's all for today's video. If you have questions about how current mortgage rates impact your buying options, drop a comment below or reach out to us directly. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone thinking about making a move in real estate.